Beard balm versus beard butter. What's the difference? You guys carry both, right? That's what we get a lot of the time. My preference more so is the butter. Even with the growth that I have, I prefer the butter over the balm, and that's one of the reasons why that was created. One of the things we found before was like one of those whipped butters look more like a whipped cream type product, right? So that was one of the first things I used, but I ended up gravitating more to the product that we have now. And we started creating things with the balm has beeswax in it, so that's what gives you that hold. Or if you're trying to do styling and things like that, then that's the more beeswax a product has, the stronger the hold. So people that do like the little twisty mustache and things like that is because of the wax that's in the product that they use that allows them to create those holds. And that's something that you can use on your beard or you can use on your head at the same time. With the butter is a lot creamier. It doesn't have the beeswax in it. If you're vegan, you don't have to worry about having beeswax in your product because a lot of vegans don't mess with products that have no matter what animal it comes from, including beeswax, they stay away from. So it's something that's good for that. You can use the butter as a lotion at the same time. You can still use it on your hair, with the hair on your head. You can use it for your beard to nourish your hair and to hydrate your skin. The hydration factor comes more from the vegetable glycerin that's present in the butter. And we kind of cover that in another video, kind of go over that as a more lengthy topic. But it's, both of them have dual use purposes, but it depends on what the use you're going for and, your preference on that. People with shorter hair or people that don't really care about that, I would say go with the butter. The butter is one of the popular products that we have too. And like I said, it's a lot more creamier and a lot more absorbent, things like that. So you can kind of